Okay, third graders, whichever class comes back from spring break with this entire song memorized all the way through will win a contest that comes with a very special prize after Louisiana Character Day. I'll sing it in my voice, but don't worry about matching my pitch because you won't be able to. You put it an octave higher like we've talked about lately in class. You'll see what I mean. Some things about New Orleans are bummers. Termite swarms, cracking roads, and extra humid summers. And the tourists are kind of annoying, but that's the price you pay. This place is far from perfect, but we like it fine that way. 300 years since Bienville found a bend in the river, a place to start a town. Yes, he was hopeful, but he had no way of knowing that New Orleans would be growing into what it is today. Thank you, Bienville, we are here to stay. So much about New Orleans is fantastic, like po' boys and Mardi Gras and brass bands so bombastic. And yes, we boil our water, but that's the price you pay. We know this town ain't normal, but we like it fine that way. 300 years since Bienville found a bend in the river, a place to start a town. Yes, he was hopeful, but he had no way of knowing that New Orleans would be growing into what it is today. Thank you, Bienville, we are here to stay. Bienville was an explorer with a dream. When he founded this city, he knew that with a little luck and a lot of effort, New Orleans could be great. And now it is. We have crawfish boils and jazz fest and snowballs. 300 years since Bienville found a river, a place to start a town. A special easy-going. Yes, he was hopeful, but he had no way of knowing that New Orleans would be growing into what it is today.